इंडिया इज स्टिल अ यंग कंट्री. आज आप यूएसए देखिए, यूएसए इज मोर देन 250, almost 250 years old now as a country. Most other countries which are have at least a much longer history than India. And हमारे जो capital markets, financial system में अगर हम देखते हैं कि 94-95 के बाद really चालू हुआ है, that way our financial sector is only 30 years old. That's why we are modern. Our capital infrastructure, everything is very good. But we are 30 years old effectively. Though our Bombay Stock Exchange started very early, the organized financial sector is at least 40-50 years behind everybody else in the world from an age point of view. From an evolution point of view, we are cutting edge. So impatient उसी की आ जाती है. जब भी हम लोग भी 20-30 साल के थे, हम बहुत impatient थे. When you become 50-60, you become more patient because you have seen that much.
It's too late, man.
But that is what I'm saying. When you are 50 years old, it's still not late because आपके पास और 25-30 साल है. And as a country, तो हमारे पास I think और about 50 साल है. But because we are young as a country, as a capital market, वो impatience आ जाता है. I'm just explaining कि impatience आ जाता है. And the other reason for impatience is we are still a developing country. So there is a lot of changes happening all the time. Our capital markets are changing. We are still saying, okay, this is working, this is not working. In 30 years, we have evolved. But if other markets have evolved over 50-60 years, we also, like our equity markets, are evolved pretty well. But we have seen a Harsha Mehta scam, Ketan Parekh, ये बहुत कांड करके सब लोग अभी in the markets at least last 8-10 साल से किसी ने कांड वर्ड यूज नहीं किया because हमें faith आ गया है. So patience also requires a little bit of aging, a little bit of faith, a little bit of confidence कि India will continue like this. Maybe थोड़ा growth rate आगे पीछे हो सकता है, but I think the next 25 years India's story is pretty clear.
मतलब अगर आपका 20-25 साल का होराइजन है तो बिना देर किए आपको इस स्टोरी में पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहिए.
Absolutely.
चाहे जो आपकी उम्र हो, चाहे जितना पैसा हो.
If you are able to save money, you should invest. Only saving is only a job half done.
उसमें तो आप इन्फ्लेशन को बीट ही नहीं कर पाएंगे.